hope you love this glow Plexion as much as me. I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a really beautiful and youthful glow to your cheeks. And then I'm going to give you another tip of how you can transform your lipsticks. I'm going to blend in circular motions up towards the top of your ear. You will get compliments when you wear this. People are going to be saying, what have you done to your skin lately? It will just be the glow Plexion. You're just going to apply your lipstick and then dab the glow Plexion over the top. And if you just concentrate putting the glow Plexion around the centre of your lips, this is going to give your lips more of just a sheen to the centre, which is going to make your lips look fuller. I hope you love this glow Plexion as much as me. I don't think you're going to be disappointed. It sure is going to become your makeup bag staple.